paper is bad. Boston, Massachusetts. If you dream of gold, it is a sign of an increase of property. Alabama. Teeth. To dream of teeth is unlucky. Eastern Massachusetts. It is death or bad luck to dream of teeth falling out. Newfoundland and Northern Ohio. To dream of losing a tooth means a death. Nova Scotia and Cape Breton. To dream of pulling out your teeth means sickness. Eastern Massachusetts. To dream of losing a tooth means losing a friend. Virginia. If you dream of having a front tooth drop out, you will lose a near relative within a year. If a back tooth, a distant relative. Water. To dream of smooth water means good luck, of rough water means ill luck. St. John, N.B. Dreaming of running water means approaching death to the dreamer or some near relative. To dream of clear sparkling water means good luck. Miramichi, N.B. To dream of milky or oily water means death or disaster. Miramichi, N.B. To dream of seeing muddy water signifies that you will have trouble. Alabama. To dream of clear water means prosperity, of muddy water means trouble. Boston, Massachusetts. To dream of washing is a sign of a move. Cape Breton and Wisconsin. Weddings and funerals. To dream of marriage is a sign of a funeral. Topsail and Carbonear, Trinity Bay, NF. If you dream of a marriage, it is the sign of a death, and if you dream of a death, it is the sign of a marriage. Alabama. If you dream of a marriage, you will hear of a death next day. Talladega, Alabama. If you dream of a wedding, you will hear of the death of a friend in that month. Pennsylvania. To dream of a wedding means death. Mifflintown, PA. Dream on a piece of wedding cake. Write names on slips of paper and pull them out. The one you pull twice is the one you will marry. Massachusetts. Sleep on a piece of wedding cake, and the one you dream about will be your future partner in life. New Brunswick. Sleep on a piece of wedding cake, and if you have the same dream 3 nights in succession, your dream will come to pass. New York. To dream of a funeral means a wedding. Miscellaneous. To dream of raw meat is a sign of ill luck. To dream of eating meat is a sign of sickness. Boston. To see while asleep fresh meats of any kind is a warning of death. Alabama. To dream of blood is a sign of sickness. Alabama. To dream of blood is a sign that someone will scandalize you. Baltimore, MD, Negro. To dream of onions is good. To dream of flowers is a sign of sickness. Alabama. To dream of fruit out of season, trouble without reason. Northern Ohio. To dream of cherries is evil. To dream of an anchor means good luck. St. John, N.B. To dream on land of a vessel with sail set is a sign of a funeral. Labrador and Trinity Bay, N.F. To dream of small beels or sewing silk is lucky. Labrador. What you dream the first night you are in a strange house will come true. General in the United States. If you dream the first night you are in a strange bed, your dream will come true. If the dream was of a sweetheart, you will be married. Trinity Bay and Bay Roberts, N.F. To dream of losing the sole of your shoe indicates the death of a near friend. Cape Breton. To dream of seeing anyone wear worn-out shoes means the death of a near relative. Cape Breton. To dream of a hole worn in a boot is a sign of being sick. Newfoundland. To dream of bad boots is unlucky. Newfoundland. Saturday night's dream, Sunday morning told, will come to pass before it's a week old. Maine and Massachusetts. Saturday night dreamed, Sunday morning told, sure to come true before a month old. Eastern Massachusetts. Relate the dream before breakfast and it will come true. General in the United States. If you dream the same thing 3 times, it will come true. Dreaming of handling new-made boards is a sign of a coffin. A carpenter's notion. Heart's Content, NF. If you dream of seeing a boat drawn or sailing on land, it is a sign of death. Cape Breton. If you dream that you see an empty coffin, you will see it filled within a year. To dream of dough in a bread pan is the sign of a coffin. New Brunswick. To dream of dough in a black pan is a sign of a corpse. Miramichi, NB. To dream of bread is good luck. Boston, Massachusetts. To dream of going in a carriage means you'll travel with a friend. Cape Breton. Pick up a stone in a strange place and put it under the pillow for 3 nights. If you dream, it will come true. Newfoundland. To dream of being in a new house is a sign of death. Harbor Grace, NF. Place the heel of one shoe against the instep of the other 3 nights in a row, and you will dream of your future husband. Franklin, Massachusetts. To dream that your sweetheart has the ache means that he loves you. To dream you are a fool is good luck and increase of wealth. Dreaming of persons being sick is a sign of being well. Newfoundland and New Hampshire. To dream of a death is a sign of life. To dream of the devil is a sign of good luck. Trinity Bay, NF. To dream you cry means you will laugh. Boston, Massachusetts. Dreams go by contraries. General in the United States. End of chapter 8.